Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide apps in calculator on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree and continue and tap on grant. Now just enable this toggle. Now once you have done that, just tap on got it. Now from here, just enter a 4-digit code. Now once you enter your 4-digit code, just tap on the equal to button. Now just enter your code one more time to confirm your code. And once you enter your code, just tap on the equal to button. Now from here, just tap on skip and tap on skip. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just tap on this icon to hide your apps. And now from here, just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on next and tap on enter. Now from here, just select calculator. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully hidden the selected apps from our home screen and from our app drawer. Just like that. Now to find the hidden apps on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the calculator app on your smartphone. Now from here, just enter your code. Now once you enter your code, just tap on the equal to button. Now from here, as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. Just like that. And this is how you can hide apps in calculator on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.